Hello everyone, this is Namrata. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. We have Naina as well with us. So this video we have put together for all those individuals who would want to get started their career into the Salesforce, or they wanted to shift from a non-developer background into the Salesforce. I've seen in various forums like Facebook Salesforce forum or Trailhead community forum wherein people don't know how to get started with Salesforce. So this video will help all of those individuals who are really looking to get started with the Salesforce. That is, if at all they are from a non-developer background, how easily they can get started into the Salesforce.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Namrata. Apart from that, we'll also understand the role of Trailhead, how you can learn Salesforce using Trailhead, and then we'll also see what are the different career paths that one can pursue in Salesforce. So you could come from testing background or you could be a fresher, irrespective of which background you come from. Definitely, there are good opportunities in Salesforce. And last but not the least, we'll also understand the importance of Salesforce certifications in order to clear the interview or in order to get a job opportunity. So this video is primarily focusing on sales for Salesforce newbies. So as we have Namrata here, we'll understand from her how easy it is to learn Salesforce for a non-dev resource.
Definitely,
Would you be able
Naina.
to help us, Namrata? Yeah, thank you.
Sure. So just to let you all know, I've started my career as a manual tester, but that's when I really wanted to learn new technology and shift my career into something which is in great demand. So I realized that since I was into the testing background and a manual tester, I realized there are very limited opportunities for the testing profile. So that's when I strongly felt that I should learn a new technology, and I started exploring something in internet, and I found out that Salesforce is something which has some great career opportunity and has a lot of demand, and of course I can able to clear the interview. That's how my Salesforce journey has started. And I think after a couple of attempts, I was finally able to land a job in Salesforce as a Salesforce consultant profile. In short, it is very easy for anyone to learn Salesforce and get a job after a couple of attempts.
Awesome. That's good to know. So basically, you did not had any coding background or technical background. All you had was previously you were into testing profile, and then after your own efforts, you were
That's
able
right.
to get into Salesforce.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure while learning Salesforce, you would have made good use of Trailhead. So please help us understand what is the role of Trailhead and how it has helped you in your journey.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And I think Trilight has played a very key role, not only in my learning journey and grab a job in Salesforce, but I think it has also helped in launching our SFDC YouTube channel. So I did not had any hands-on experience like as you mentioned rightly, right? I don't have development background. So I think Trailer has helped me a lot. I was attempting different interviews for different roles, and I started learning different topics with the help of the Trailheads like Salesforce CPQ, Service Cloud implementation, Experience Cloud, and a lot of other features are something which I got good knowledge using the Trailheads. So what I did was I tried to create my own DevOps, and I started doing the hands-on, whatever is updated or whatever I learned through the trial. I think all of those is something which I have done my you know hands-on in that specific DevOps, and that's how I got confidence to clear the interviews, technical interviews. And I also thought like me, there are many other individuals, right, who might be struggling and who doesn't know how to get started with. So that's how I started this YouTube channel, and now I think I'm able to influence around 1100 plus SFDC subscribers.
Awesome. That's really good to know the role of Trailheads, the way it has transformed you from basically from your testing profile to get a job opportunity. And not only that, you started the SFTC One Stop YouTube channel, having more than 1,000 plus subscribers. I think that's a remarkable achievement. And I think Trailhead has really helped you. And the advantage of Trailhead, people who are very new to sales sources, you can do projects in Trailheads. Trailhead got different modules, different trails, trail makes, and if you really wanted to have hands on, make use of projects. So that way you will learn different functionalities, different products available in Salesforce.
And
So
it
this
is,
is how the Trailhead
sorry,
profile
Naina,
looks like.
sorry to cut you,
Yeah,
but I think just wanted to add, Twilight is also a place wherein you can just search with a small keyword. If you wanted to learn something about the Experience Cloud, you just type in the Experience Cloud in your Twilight, and you will be able to see a lot of projects associated to that Experience Cloud. So that's how it is very easy to learn any topic in Twilight. That's how I think I learned the
absolutely.
Salesforce CPQ, because Salesforce CPQ was something very new when I started learning about it. That's how I started my first video in Salesforce CPQ.
Okay. Good to know Salesforce CPQ is your first SFDC One Stop YouTube
That's
channel
right.
video.
That's right.
Okay. So apart from that, I mean, learning is one area. The other areas is you can leverage Trailblazer community. You can ask any questions pertaining to any topic in Salesforce. Anything you can certainly ask in Trailblazer community, and you can certainly answer any of other Trailblazer questions as well. If you can see, Namrata has answered 33 such questions. One answer was chosen as best answer. In that way, you can also help the Trailblazer community by providing or by sharing your experience. So you can also see how many certifications one has done. I mean, just to validate if you're following somebody, other Trailblazer, you can also see how many certifications that individual has done, from which company, all those things, how many badges the
Yeah.
individual has done, all those things is available in Trailhead profile. So it's a one-stop shop for you to get started with Salesforce. The other important aspect is what is importance of certifications, and maybe Namrata, you can help us on that.
Yeah, I think certification play a important role. I have cleared an admin. I mean, definitely I have one admin certification and one consultant certification. So certifications are mainly needed so that you can get screened for the interview. So that is as a starting point. So that's how the certification plays a very vital role. And personally, when you start uh, learning about the or start writing the certification, you will learn about that particular functionality or feature in Salesforce. But yeah, so that is how the Salesforce certifications provides helps every individual.
Awesome. Just so everybody, one important aspect the other people also think about is how many certifications do I need to do?
Yeah.
See, to get started, you just start with one certification, which is Salesforce admin certification. Once you get confidence, you can later on think of doing Sales Cloud consultant or Service Cloud consultant. So, this is something on a non dev related domain. Let's say if you are very much interested in coding, you can focus on platform app builder or platform developer 1 certification, platform developer 2 certifications. That is something who is very much interested in coding side. And the other question that I often hear is, I always see in LinkedIn people always promote that they have done certifications, and does it really add value if somebody says I'm a 6x certified or 10x certified?
Yeah.
Personally, I'm a 17x certified and Amrita is
Yes.
2x certified
Yes, 2x
admin and
certified.
service
Yes.
cloud consultant, right? So number doesn't count. So you can see two individuals, one with only two certifications and the other individual with 17 certifications. So number doesn't count. What is very important is you need to have the subject knowledge. And if you don't have knowledge, let's say you're doing Salesforce admin certification, and if you do not understand how do you do the data loading, what are the prerequisites, then which means you're not serving the purpose. Certification is not serving the purpose. Ultimately, why do we do certification? In order to get the subject knowledge, right? So
Yeah,
number
and
doesn't
also, Naina,
count.
I
It
think
certainly helps.
certification is, yeah, its certification is mainly a person, individual, thought process. It all depends upon the individual. It is every individual has its own way. Some people will think that I will keep on doing the certification, and other individuals will think that okay, I will be only focusing on trying to get screened for the interviews. Let me do one or two certifications, and rather than doing multiple certifications, people, as you very well said, right, gaining the knowledge. So that is very much important. So different people will have different perspective. So it all depends upon you. If you want to proceed or if you want to get certified, you can definitely get certified. As number of certifications you can definitely do, but it is very important how much knowledge you are gaining in that specific area. So that is very important.
Yeah, that's right. So doing multiple certifications may get you the visibility, but if you are really looking for a job opportunity, you really need to demonstrate your knowledge
Exactly.
that
That's
you
true.
have gained.
Yep.
So moving on to the last segment, what are different career paths that are available for a newbie who really wanted to get into Salesforce, who comes from a non-dev background?
Yeah. So I think as a starting point, everyone should be doing the Salesforce admin certification. So that is always a starting point, and using that specific certification, it will provide you, it will help you to get screened for the multiple interviews. So that is what is one of the starting point, and that's how the doors will get open for you, so that you can apply for multiple companies. You can get interviewed in different companies. Once you complete your Salesforce admin certification, that's when you have to think whether you wanted to get into your consultant role or you would want to get into your development role. So if at all you are looking out to look into the consultant role, we have certain certifications like service clouds certifications and sales cloud certification. So you can go into those different paths, that is service cloud or sales cloud consultant role, if you are achieving to go for that specific consultant role. Now there is another path for the development. If you are very good at coding and you wanted to get into your development side, we have platform developer certification. That's how you can decide which path you would want to move forward with.
Okay, so have you chosen consultant path when you started your
That's
transformation
right.
from testing background?
Yeah, as I earlier said, right, Naina, because I was not having a lot of knowledge into the development. But yes, I have did my development when I got some projects. However, I don't want to get started or get more into the development profile. That's how I thought, okay, I completed my admin, I will go into the consultant certification. So I completed the service cloud
Okay.
consultant certification.
Okay. So what I would suggest is if you're very new, come from a very non-dev background. So in terms of career path, you can pursue for admin role, you can pursue for support role, basically production support role, or you can also, once you get confidence, then the second step is you can look out for the consultant role. Consultant role is nothing but you closely work with customers day in and day out, understand their business requirements, provide the best solution. That is consultant role. When
That's
it
right.
comes to production support, you provide the support to the existing application. So this is one excellent opportunity to have on-job learning. So these are the easy ways to get into Salesforce. And once you get some hands-on, then probably you can look for other opportunities, whether you wanted to get into developer role or architect role or the different roles out there.
Advanced
So certainly there are good
certifications.
number of opportunities,
Yeah. Yep.
right? And another, I think that's all we have. But one important information for your information stuff. Yeah, MVP 2022 nominations are open. So please nominate your favorite trailblazer who has helped you in any way in learning Salesforce. You can certainly nominate Namrata as well. Namrata has done a lot of videos, lot of different topics pertaining to Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, multi-factor authentication, reports and dashboards, introductory videos for beginners. So please go ahead and watch out all the videos. And if you find her videos to be informative, you can nominate her, or you can nominate any other your favorite trailblazer as well. So these are the questions that you would come across while nominating your favorite trailblazer. So please take 10 minutes of your time as a token of appreciation for all the efforts trailblazers are putting in sharing their knowledge. So that's all we have for today's video. Hope you found this video to be informative, and I'm hoping you get the confidence to learn Salesforce and get into Salesforce ecosystem. Anything else, Namrata, that you would like to add?
No, I think it was very nice to connect virtually with all our Salesforce, the Ohana family.
Yeah, before we wrap up, one last other important stuff. There is a trail mix that I have created. So this is a blog. So you would find the trail mix link as well. So you really need to have hands-on experience. That's when you will get the confidence, irrespective of which YouTube channel, which YouTube videos you are going through. Having hands-on experience is one important step to clear the interview and to get the confidence. Okay, I can clear certification. I can get job opportunity only by having the hands-on experience, and that hands-on is something you can do using Trailheads. So this is a trail mix that I have created, and I'm hoping you will get a basic understanding of what Salesforce is, and what are the different products available, and what are different clouds, which cloud you are interested in, and accordingly you can pursue your career path. Thank you so
Okay.
much again. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Please
Bye
do
bye.
continue to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for all your time. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Thanks, Namrata.